Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to create MTN transfer pin. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open my dialer. After you open up your dialer, next thing you need to do is to dial *321# and hit on send on your MTN line. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and make sure you enter 1. Then click on send right here. Click on send. Then it's going to take you right here. Then click on here. What you want to do here is to enter 5. Then click on send. What you need to do right here is to enter your email address. Click on here and enter your email address. Having entered your email address, click on send. Please select a security question. So the next thing you need to do is to select a security question right here. What is the primary school teacher name? Where did you meet your spouse? Then what was the name? Then 99 for next. So what you need to do right here is I'm going to select 2 right here. And where did you meet your spouse or partner? I will click on send. Please provide answer to the security question. So I will simply click on here and provide the answer. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on send. The next thing you need to do is to enter new PIN. So make sure it is a PIN that you always remember. After you enter your new PIN, click on send. Confirm your new PIN right here. Then having confirmed your new PIN, click on send. You have successfully created your MTN share PIN. So do not share this PIN with anyone. Click on OK right here. It's as simple as that. Basically, this is how to create your MTN transfer PIN. For more tutorial tips and tricks about MTN, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.